everybody, welcome back to another episode of Smallville Farmer. Like they say, all good things must come to an end. Today will be the last day of 2022 wheat harvest. It was a good one. We got a lot of wheat cut. We got a lot of bushels hauled to the elevator. The combine did good. The semi did good. It was even fun teaming up with Grandpa and Larry the other day. So we got another 40 acres to go at Mom and Dad's house, and then we're done cutting wheat for the year. Chelsea, how do you feel about harvest?
Good.
What'd you think about this year for harvest? This was your first wheat harvest. How'd it go?
It went well.
Good. Good. It went well. I had a blast anyway. All right, well, we'll see you out at the farm. All right, we made it out. I'm gonna service this thing up. Ugh. Blow it off, check all the belts, pulleys, all that good stuff. Hopefully we'll be cutting here before too long. Show them how you're a combine dog. Let's go. No, you don't need water. Come on. There you go. Good girl. Let's go. Get in the cab. Let's go cut some wheat. Let's go cut some wheat. Well, we made it to Dad's 40 here. We're gonna do a test cut on this. This we planted pretty late. And so a lot of it didn't come up. And then when we got all this rain, the other half of it came up. So we got a lot of green heads in there right now. So we'll have to see what it tests here. We'll do a little mini test cut. Well, there's the test cut. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a lot of green berries in there. You want the darker brown ones. So we'll see if this averages out. It might come back too wet. I don't know. But see, this is what I was talking about in the combine. Half of the wheat is ripe and ready. And the other, you just ate a bushel of wheat. That just cost me. And then the other stuff is still small green coming up right here. So we'll see what this does. If it comes back too wet, I got to go on a parts run because it looked like my alternator was about shot. So might have to go get a new alternator today. Chelsea remembered to come get me. She's such a good wife. All right, we'll be back, honeymoon. All right, here you go. See what it is.
Better wait till 3. Oh, you're rolling.
I'm rolling, Ben.
I didn't realize that. All right.
13.5 with the 58 chest weight. It's not very good. What do you think, Roy? Yeah, you better wait.
Got another one after that. Was that in the green spots?
Well, the boss wants to wait a couple hours, so we'll wait a couple hours. Dang it, that stinks. We'll go swimming and do everything else. Go swimming, buddy. Woo! Gotta get my cool hat back on. All right, just got done with a nice 3-hour refreshing swim. God, it felt good. All right, we're back at it. We're gonna do one more test cut here. See what the moisture is. There's still a lot of green in there. Maybe it'll go, we'll see. I don't know. If not, I'll try again in a couple days. We're back at the co-op here for a second test cut. Let's see what the girls give us this time.
Hey, I know your dad. He's ugly. I was gonna be like, if you did to my son.
All right, what is it? Roy's faunching at the bit.
I ain't Lights function.
They put soft weed in.
It's 12.8.
12.8, you won't find anything that wet.
Oh yeah,
It's
Roy's
13.2 this morning.
11.7.
Shit,
bull crap. 11.7.
Test weight 7.
You tell them that's the best week that.
Best weight we've ever had. Actually, test weight's 59.
That's not terrible.
Test weight's gonna be lighter. 'Cause it's lighter. And you didn't move until they protein the whole 9 yards. They had five kits. And whatever your protein content was, that's where you went.
On your beans.
No. On wheat.
What was the protein on this wheat here?
14.
Wow, that's really good, Roy.
Yeah, I'm happy.
You're happy with 14%
Yeah.
protein on this
How
wheat?
heavy was the wheat?
About 66 pounds. Best weight we've ever had.
Wow. I hope we make the door with that.
They paid.
I want to apologize to everybody about the co-op there. Per usual, anytime you go into the co-op, it is just full of BS. I mean, thank God I got my boots on because I'm covered in crap. It's so thick in there, it's ridiculous. All right, we're gonna go cut some wheat now, boys. Back to the field. This right here is by far some of the better wheat, but you can tell the difference between our wheat here and the neighbor's wheat right there. It's a different color. And that's because it's a different variety or a different kind of wheat. And that's what gives it the two distinct colors. So, hopefully this field here makes 25 to 30 an acre, but we'll see how good it does. It's rolling in the back there pretty good, so that's a plus. Oh, that right there is where I got stuck the other day with the disc. So maybe I won't get stuck at the combine for all this crap in here. All right, everybody, I got a special guest with me today. That's Branty. Howdy. Brant is the only one of my brothers that has not been featured on Smallville Farmer or watched a single episode. Wow, that's great. Thank you so much for that, Brant. I love all the support. So are you the smartest out of all of us because you have nothing to do with the farming, or?
I ain't so dumb.
Be smart. Tell us a good joke, Brant.
I don't have any clean ones.
Okay.
I got a horse that I call Mayo, and sometimes mayonnaise.
You know what the girls said the protein on this wheat was when they tested it? 14%.
It's too full though.
It's too full?
Yeah, watch it come in. That's alright.
What happened? I got a plug of too much shit. We'll give it just a little bit more, see how she handles it. There it goes. This is Dad's high quality wheat right here. Blaine, you got a copy? I'm full. Where you at?
What are you doing?
Just waiting on Blaine. I'm full, boys. Making room for another bushel. Yeah, Blaine?
Boys, I'm coming.
I'm sitting here full waiting on you. Got 209 bushels on here, boys.
Oh shit, boys. You're gonna get 6 more of them?
I'm gonna try my best. I see you on the highway, bub. Downshift it, use the Jake brakes.
I got them, but I ain't got Jake brakes.
Let me turn them on for you. I was Jake braking for him. About got a bin load. Well, I got Grandma with me.
Hello everybody, we're having a good time. We're getting this wheat test. We're about ready to go knuckle over.
That's right. What do you think of harvest so far?
Oh, it's been fun. This is the first time I've been on the combine and I love it.
That's right.
I'm riding with this good looking guy here beside me.
Thanks, Grandma. Yep, there it is. Hopefully this does at least 30 bushels the acre. That would be nice, but I doubt it. Oh, look at the rabbit. Yeah, there's a jackrabbit right over there. There he goes.
That's the first one I've seen a jackrabbit in a long time.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, no. Don't be killing
I'm not going to hit him. He's going to be fine. All right, now hit the auger out for me. Flip the white switch up.
Yeah, put the white switch in.
Yep.
Where's the switch?
The white switch in the back.
Oh, this one.
Yep, flip it up.
Yep. Red light.
Okay, good. Now that little toggle switch behind you, flip it out.
This
Yep,
one.
yep, right here, this one. Yep, with the black handle.
They go up or down?
Up. Then the auger's gonna come out.
It ain't coming out.
You gotta hold it out.
Oh, I gotta hold it.
Yeah.
Okay,
There it is. Okay, good.
Okay.
We're gonna put this on the back.
Let her go.
No, you let her go. All right, now pull up on the lever down there. Down here. Here, look at, let go of that. Now down here on the bottom, pull up on this green handled lever.
Oh, I forgot about that.
Yep, there you go.
Okay.
Now she'll start. Yep.
Oh, look what I did.
There he goes. That's exactly what he said. Roy was like, get that bottom terrace, put it on the back. Put it on the back of the semi. I said, okay, Roy.
That's quite a bit coming out.
Yeah. Hey, tell everybody bye.
Oh, bye. Have a nice one.
Well, we're just about ready to wrap this up. I can't wait. It's been a long harvest. I'm tired. But I don't want to go back to work. I don't want to go back to the real world. Oh, goodness. Yeah, about got a bin load, so. There's Bubba. Looks like he's gonna switch me. I'm gonna go get something to eat because I am starving. Especially after 3 hours of swimming. Well, I'm back. I got a little bit of dinner here. Bubba bought me some pizza out. That was good. What'd that farmer tell you there earlier that Frank got video of? What'd he say to you?
Well, a couple years ago, we put a hot wire on this whole quarter, and my older brother strung the hot wire and decided that, that's true, that there was a tree branch that was kind of hanging on that hot wire, so he just felt obliged to cut it. No big deal. We're talking like 1, 2 little branches about yay big. So anyway, apparently, he's told us that we left him on his property, and that's chicken shit that it's on his property, and we need to get over there and get him picked up, because I let you cut my tree, but you can't pick your branches up. And I said, well, I don't know what you're talking about. And he told me I was being stupid. I didn't know what he was talking about. And he said, well, aren't you Roy? And I said, no, I'm actually his son, thank you.
Oh.
So, long story short, supposedly the law dog is now involved over some tree branches. Bring them on, Snappy Joe.
Yeah, let's get the law involved, boy.
I'll
Then
tell
we
you
could
what.
we could talk about how his sheep and goats are always out because he ain't got no fence. Well, we got this little bitty patch left here and we're done. Right over here. Oh, what happened right over there, bub?
That's where you got stuck.
That's where I got stuck the other day with the disc and the turd for a truck. Another Kansas, beautiful sunset right there. And a full semi. So based off that semi right there, this probably made close to 30, between 27 and 30 bushels an acre. So anyway, we are officially done with wheat harvest for the year. Thank you everybody for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Hey, P.S. don't forget to pick up branches. If you don't pick up branches, the law dog will be after you.
There you go, from Bubba. Anyway, thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time.